See what we're gonna get today. About 11 knots. Oh, the engine just cut off. You know what that means?
Fishing.
Time to start fishing. See, we have different fishing poles, so you can cast yours a little bit, but don't go too far, right? But I'm just gonna see what you want to do is I'm gonna go in the middle, and you go to the. You just cast over there a little bit and just let it go all the way down till it hits the floor. No, let's go all the way down. Let it go. So let it go. You'll know when it hits the bottom. See that? See how deep we are? Just let it go. That's far, huh? Alright, that's the floor because you know it's not falling anymore. See, that's the floor. So now what we gotta do, we gotta roll up a little bit, like 1, 2. There you go. Here you go.
That's deeper than you.
A little deeper than me. Are we under the boat, Nadim? Maybe I should have went the other way. Okay, but down we're gonna. Don't hold, I mean, you hold it. Make sure you hold it. You gotta bite. You gotta fish, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Reel it in. There you go, buddy. Fish on.
Fish on.
That a monster?
Yeah, there you go. Nice. All right, Remy, help him out.
Really count until he's on the deck.
That's right. William's out fishing us. All right, you close it. See what I'm doing? Fish. Wait. Wait, let me get this thing out of the water. If you're stuck, let it break. You can use mine.
That's coming.
It's coming?
Yep.
Alright. Thank you.
Same one.
Yeah.
I hope so. Tell his brothers and sisters to come as well. Alright. Help you out.
2 fish.
So you know. I got you.
You got it. Thank you, sir. We're gonna reel it up like this. See what Tato's doing? How is yours tangled? No. But now here, take my pole. Take my pole and reel it in a little bit, okay? You got it. Oh no, it's stuck on a rock. Is that a rock or a fish? It's a fish, there you go. Alright, now I'm gonna get the puffer.
That's your first fish, right? Yeah. So, you got enough for your dinner at least. That is true.
Where's William? You ready, buddy? Ooh, look at that guy. He looks cute. He has a little beak.
Gonna release him?
You want to throw him in there? Let him go. Bye, buddy.
Nah, sometimes, yeah.
What?
It's all right. He'll deflate and go under. I don't know what I got on mine. I do. Oh, I caught that turd. I'll let you free.
Anytime it gets stuck, it pops itself forward. Just like this, if you stack the bottom until you see the roof.
Do you? I was worried about that. If you're gonna throw up, throw up over the. Well, here, drink this. Yeah. Guy is vicious. Ow! And he stabbed me on the way out. What a little turd. Ungrateful. You alright?
Oh yeah, how are you feeling?
Does it have any sea legs?
Move the boat until every single line is pumped out.
You good? Do you want to try fishing somewhere off mine? Once we stop again? Do you want some water? Man down, man down. Where's mine? Come on, Riam. Go, buddy, go. We found a school of something. All three of us. Woohoo! Go, William! Don't look real. No, William got something. The genius got something. I got the same turd. Go! This is gonna be. We'll put this one on the wall. Keep on going, man. Keep on going. Is he out, or what do you got? Wait, I think he's out. I think he popped out. Yeah. Reel it in, buddy.
Yeah, he's
Still on there?
Yeah. He's big. Oh!
There you go. Put him in the boat. Let me fall in the boat. Look, he's in my butt, son. Ah, he jumped off yours and went on mine. Oh, it's a rock. It's a bass. That's a little guy. Once we're done with here, you better teach me how to fish. Okay.
Fish.
Alright, look. Revenge. What is this guy? I think it's the same thing.
kingfish have smaller mouths and they have gold spots on their face, but they have similar coloration.
That's
The way you can tell it's a tomtaes though is they have that black spot. So.
tomtaes.
I can be fishing all day.
Can you? That's what I like to hear. Wow, but now. Reel it.
I caught a boatfish.
A puffer.
Boat.
Yeah.
I
All right.
caught a puffer. I caught
Wow. William caught a puffer. All right, throw him back in so he stays safe.
You can keep this if you want to.
Throw it in. Felt bigger.
How to fish.
Me too. We got our school together. Good job, William. Not another one. Reel it in, William. Reel it in. Yours actually a fish and not a puffer. Ooh, it's a nice one. Get him in the boat. Get him on the boat. Get him on the boat. Get him on the boat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes.
Oh, you got a triggerfish.
That's a trigger? That's
Yep,
a huge
gray
trigger.
triggerfish.
Those aren't edible, are they?
They are, but they're closed right now. You can't keep them.
All
I'm
right.
gonna put a tag and I'm gonna release them.
That's cool.
But these things are very mean. If you
Yeah.
ever catch one, you don't want to put your fingers in front of his mouth.
They'll bite it. They got, look at those teeth.
I know.
Yeah, see. Yeah, a little spike on top too.
That was the puffer.
I got a puffer right here.
Honest. Can I hold it?
Oh yeah, I got it. Just me, got it. I don't want.
Look. Try and push this back. Ready? Now try push this one. That's what they call them, triggerfish, because it's like their trigger.
Oh, that's cool. I know that. Oh man, I'm getting exhausted. What do you want to say to the YouTube channel? How many fish did you get?
8.
We probably threw away 10. We probably threw 10 back, huh? A lot of little ones, a lot of puffer fish, and what's the biggest fish you caught, which is really unique? So to the T, a huge trigger. All right, you did good. High five.